Richard Kinner wasn't frightened when he saw the picture at the yard sale in Rosewood. He was fascinated by it, and he felt he had the good luck to find something he might be very special. But fright? No, it hadn't occurred to him until later. Not until it was too late, as he might have written in one of his own numbingly successful novels, that he had felt the same way with certain illegal drugs as a young man. He had gone down to Boston to participate in a PEN New England conference titled The Threat of Popularity. You could count on VEN to come up with such subjects, Kino had found. It was actually sort of comforting. He drove the 260 miles from Derry